Hi, my name is Niko Peric. This is my Lab 4 breadboard and wiring submission. So I'm going to start out with 4A, or the switch on port 2.0, or read rotate mode. So on read mode, our program constantly reading the switches and taking 3 bits, port 2.3, 2.5, as a desired display pattern displays them in the LEDs, right? So here we're in read mode. If I turn on ports 4 and 6, that disables LEDs, right? And 5, that disables LEDs as well, and they're being saved here, and the program constantly takes input. If I go to rotate mode though, let's say my read mode, I decide to have this as my pattern, right? So 2 LEDs. What I can do, turn this on, and it'll rotate to the left by default. And if I try to turn, or say, one of the LEDs back on, it won't accept it. It's in rotate mode, right? So if I turn this back off, you can see it's rotating. So now it's back in read mode. You can see that the LED came back on, right? And so now, for left-right direction mode, so let's say we have this on in rotate mode, and right now it's rotating left by default. Well, if I wanted it to rotate right, for example, I'd turn on 2, and here you can see that it's rotating to the right now, okay? And if I wanted to go back to the left, I can turn on this switch here. And so now you can see it rotating back to the left as it was originally. Okay. And now we have a fast speed mode, which is going to be a software delay for slow mode. But basically, what I can do is I can turn on 3. This is our fast mode. By default, you have slow mode, but this is also a fast mode, so it could constantly get updated. Alright, I turn that back off, it goes slow again. And that's my Lab 4 breadboard submission. Thank you for watching. Hi, my name is Niko Peric. This is my Lab 4 code review. So in Lab 4, we were to write a program in C that reads a 3-bit desired light pattern from the 3 input switches connected to pins 2.3 and 2.5, and displays the pattern with 8 LEDs. And it's on ports 1.0 to 1.7, this pattern will be displaying with some light playing option based on the input from the other 3 switches, which will be ports 2.0 to 2.2. Okay. So here we can see that P1 out and P2 out initialized. Same thing for P1, P2 here. And here's my while loop. So here we'll be copying a value from P2 in to R5 switch. And and this is my checking P2 if it's read mode or not, if it's on or not. And if it's in read mode, it will save and the pattern as present. And when I go to rotate mode, it will keep that pattern as well. Okay? And it'll only update itself again, and it'll only save a new pattern when it's back in read mode. Okay? So, and this is if this is false, display rotation joining. So, and if statement here checking P1 to determine if we'll rotate right or not. By default, rotate left. Else, if the above if statement false, you'll rotate left. Okay. And here we'll mask any extra bits. This line here, and then we'll display the outbound pattern as well. And then here, based on P22, which is my slow and fast delay. Okay. So if I have a pin that's on, if I have a switch that's on, with logic is on, true, then we'll have a much slower delay, and the pattern will go much faster across the breadboard. If this is false though, if P2N and bit 2 not equal to bit 2, then in this case we'll have a much larger delay cycles that happen, which will in turn cause the pattern across the breadboard to go much slower. Okay? So this is my Lab 4 code review. My name is Niko Peric. Thank you for watching.